Welcome to the game, Operation Redline.
Let Mortal Kombat begin!
You're keeping me from dreaming, so what's the point? You are infectious, but it's easier to say than to push you far away where you need to be. With everyone you're kind, so I can have my time. You've had it for so long.
Hero!
Not me. I have to let you go.
Fatality.
Public health threat. The number of known infections has risen sharply.
Just waiting for the time to circle in. Here they come again. I'm letting you go so you can live far from all of us. Would you kindly fly away from me?
Game over. Finish him! Excellent. Brutality. Flawless victory.